Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can actually make money on Poppo live by simply going live. All you need to do is to go live and boom, you'll be making that whole lot of coin that you've desired. Okay, so first, when you come live on Poppo, this is how the app look like. For those of you that want to start asking me, how do I even come live? Let's go back. I'm going to be ending this live stream now, then coming back again, okay? So you can actually know how you can go live. So let's end this live stream. End, sweetheart, end, okay? I've ended this live stream, okay? Now let's go back to my main phone. So this is my phone app. So this is my Poppo app. So let's click on Poppo. Now that I've clicked on Poppo, now the next thing, this is live, and this is when I want to join a party. But now I need to go live because I want to make money from my life. All I need to do is click this one, this particular one, and then click on live. When you click on live, it's going to bring up something like this for you to input anything you want to put here. Me, I just put bless me please. And then you're going to be telling them if it's chatting, dancing, singing, making friends. Me, I just put making friends because I love making friends. That's just the truth. Then now I can actually go live. So let's click on go live now. Now I am live, and since I am live now, what are the means or what are the things I need to do before I make money from this live stream? These are things you need to ask yourself, okay? You can see that someone actually granted me my wish list. That was why I ended the live and continue. It's not going to just vanish. That is going to be there until your wish is complete, okay? So I mind you, this wish list is being imputed directly by them. You don't need to stress yourself by imputing any wish list, okay? So yeah, this is it. And if someone gifts you, you're making money on this live stream. So for this lady that gifted me, she didn't only gift me this, she gifted me a whole lot of things as well. But the system, this thing just vanished because I already logged out to show you guys how you can actually log in and go live from the app, okay? So yes, so this is me. If they gift you, you make money from going live. That is one thing you need to know. Secondly, as you are live today, I am performing my tax. What do I mean by performing my tax? If I perform my tax, I have some accumulated coin that is being given to me. So how do you check to know the particular tax you're performing? You click on this place that you're seeing, this good and zero. When you click on it, let's go so that you guys will see it very well. Let's go there. When you click on it, you can see the particular live I'm actually performing to enable me win. They say daily live duration to enable me get my coin. Sorry, daily live duration 60 minutes. Okay, 34 over 60, and I will get 2,000 coin. Okay, so this 2,000 coin will automatically be added to my balance, to my money that I've made, okay, on this app. And meanwhile, this app, I've not even started taking this app seriously because I registered from this app 2 weeks ago and I just started 3 days ago, okay? I don't know when this video will be going up. So when any day this video goes up, you have to minus 3 days from this particular day that this video will be going up, okay? Because I have a whole lot of videos that I'm making on Poppo Live. I actually want people to really make money from this app. You can see some other things that you can do to make money on this app, okay? You can see them. All these things are tax for you that is being programmed by their system automatically. One thing I like about this app is that you have different ways, different methods that you can actually make money from this app. And that particular video is going to be coming up, but I guess it's after this video because this video will be going up now. 10 minutes now to be going up. Okay, so yes, after that one, if you want to still play on your live stream, you want to still gamble and make money on live stream, you can actually still do that. All you need to do is to click on this fruit button that is showing you like this. Let's go. Once you're done clicking, you click on lucky. Make sure it's on lucky. I cannot gamble on my head because I'm actually on my live stream. So if I send, it's going to tell me that I cannot give yourself. So it's someone that must gamble on me, or I want to gamble on someone, okay? So if you gamble on anything you want to actually gamble according to the pocket of coin that you have, you can make money. But mind you, Gambling is a game of win or lose. But so far so good. I can't lie to you, on this app, since I've started taking this app serious, I've not lost that much from this app. In fact, I've not lost. That's the truth. Let me just be sincere. I've actually been gaining from this app. Okay, so yes, so there are different type of things that you can actually gamble with. We also have this game pad here. If you click on this game pad, let me bring my camera down so that you see it very well. It's going to be showing you this golden flower. Is also a game that you can play. Let me show you how it is. It's loading, 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 load, go. Yeah. So yes, this is it. In my next video, or other ones will be going on before that particular video, so just stay connected by subscribing to my channel, like this video, and also drop me your comments. Okay, I will be doing how you can actually use a different type of gambling to make money. I'll be teaching you how to gamble on poppo app. I'm not too good, yes, I'm not too good, but at least I can try. Okay, the little I've tried, I'm a good gambler for now on this app. Okay, so yes, this is how this particular game look like. So let's open the next game for you. I'll be teaching you how to play this game, like I said, on my next video, not this particular video. Okay, so I just want to show you how these particular games look like on this app. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. Make sure you do have a very good working network connection, because it also contributes to one of the things that will make your life a blossom. So yes, this is how this particular game look like. Yes, let's move to the next one. Let me show you how that particular game look like. Okay, let's go to game part. So we have the lucky number. Let's go there, guys. So this is how this particular game look like, and I will not be teaching how you can play this game. I'll be teaching it in my next video. You can see that so many persons are playing this game here. These are the numbers of people actually gambling here. This is the number of coins to be won, and this is the seconds that is reading, and the rest of that you can actually see that from here. So let me show you the other game and how it look like. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. So this is jump. Let's click on jump, 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 jump. I don't know where you are jumping to. Don't go and jump. Oh. My network is really get me crazy. So it's loading, guys. Let's wait. So this is jump, and I'm going to be teaching you people how you can actually play this game. Some of you must have come across this game in one or two ways. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you have. And the last game we'll be having here, so that we'll not waste much of your time, you'll be having the lucky win. This is just a lucky win that once you click on it, it will just spin for you to pick any number. If you're lucky enough, you win. If you're not lucky enough, you lose. Okay, so yeah, so these are the games, and these are what you can do. You can see people that are viewing me. Hello my viewers, thank you so much for joining. I'm making a YouTube video, so you guys should not be angry with me. Okay, do well to gamble and win, gamble and win big, gamble and win big, gamble and win big. Okay, so yeah, so that is how you can actually make money from going live on poppo app. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you have been going live on this app. Also let me know in the comment section if you have made money on this app. Let me know in the comment section, anything at all, just let me know. Okay, I love getting feedbacks from you guys. You see, this person, big baby, just joined. Like this app is just well customized, and it's everything for me. Okay, so anyways, let me not brag too much, or let me not talk too much, so I understand I'm not the owner of the app. Okay, so with no further ado, I do like I always say in my previous videos, in all of my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Mwah.